Well, guys, something got to our robin's eggs. She was here yesterday and her eggs were here, but I haven't seen her at all today, and I came over here and checked. I bet you it was a raccoon.
Time to set the cages up and get rid of the varmints.
I think it's time. We haven't put the
Okay.
raccoon traps out in about a month and a half, so. Okay, that's your job.
I'm on it.
Well, I'm gonna pull this nest out. Oh boy, she made a good one. Look at that, that's a beauty.
Yeah, something had to climb up there and get it.
Yeah, and she had two beautiful blue eggs in here.
Could have been blue jay too. I've been seeing a lot of those around.
Well, I'm gonna
the
get my
crows.
Cooper Hawks on those blue jays. Oh, that's nature for you. Oh well, at least our birds are all safe right now. Calcium tabs and your tomato plants. Dig your hole and break up a calcium tab. Put a little bit of dirt on top and then go ahead and sink your tomato plant in. And then I'll take a few tabs once I get them all watered in and just sprinkle them around the base. Watch them bloom. You guys are all crazy birds. All right, let's do a quick garden update. It's May 10th. We popped in the tomato plants today. Excuse my voice. I kind of am under the weather a little bit. But the peas, these are the shelling peas. They're all doing wonderful over here. Everything that we've put in. We put in our tomato plants. All the cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower are doing wonderful. If you're wondering what the stuff is, the white stuff, that's just diatomaceous earth. That helps protect these little baby seedlings, although they're starting to grow up quick. The beets are coming in. You can see that. The kale's coming up good. Onions are fantastic. Let's go down this row and then we'll come up the other side. We got our rainbow chard. And I can actually start picking a few of these little chicken snacks or put in my salads. Got a couple more tomato plants. And we've mulched those with just a little bit of chicken bedding. Radishes are coming up great. You can't see the carrots, but let me bring you right down in here. They're just about everywhere. So we got 4 rows of those and they're looking great. Cilantro. And the same thing with the seed tape on the beets. They're coming in really nice. So is the kohlrabi. Our dill that we pre-seeded is already about a foot tall. And then direct sown coming in nice. We popped in some basil today. We've got large leaf and then a lemon basil. And if you've never tried lemon basil, give it a whirl. It's fantastic on sandwiches. I put it in tuna, just about everything. I've got a couple blueberries here. This variety is a later variety. It's called Powder Blue, but she is starting to leaf out. Doing good. I got another row of tomatoes over here, and these are called a giant paste tomato. Couple rows of cabbage. They're doing great. More peas all along the edge line. Coming in nice and thick, just the way I want them. Now this 10 by 10 area is reserved for the corn, so we'll be getting that in shortly. I got some sunflowers coming in right here. Just a row. Far enough away from you little crazy birds. Hi. All right, let's see what else we got. Cilantro, that's coming up all by itself. All along this edge. All I did was let it seed in the fall. Shook it all along this edge and just let it go. Look at that butter crunch. A little bit of damage, bug damage, but we don't care. Oh my God, you guys are like vultures. Jesus, Jesus, get your fingers out of the way. God. Oh well. So everything's doing great in these buckets. Bok choy, some more shelling peas. I know I got a lot of peas, but I'm out in the freezer, and that makes me sad. And we got some broccoli down this row. A few little herbs in here, some sage and some tarragon. No, thyme. Okay, cauliflower, 2 rows of that, because we're down in the pantry and we like pickled cauliflower. Got 3 peppers in, and these are all just simple jalapenos. Nothing special around here. We don't like too much heat. Our seed tape that we put in this barrel. She's coming up. Look at those little, coming up everywhere. I got 2 buckets of those. And look at that red Merlot. Isn't that just a stunning red leaf? Even if I didn't like it, I'd grow it just because it's so pretty. But it's really tasty too. And I can't rave enough about this romaine. It's a mint romaine from M.I. Gardner. Somebody want a snack? Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, good job, Checkers. I got a row of chives. They're doing good. All right, this is a Duke blueberry. And again, this is a more mid-season. So she's just starting to put her leaves on. And it is a good idea to have early bloomers like this Patriot, so you always have fresh. Let me get out of the camera, the light. So these guys are doing really good. Strawberry Tower. Look at those amazing blooms. And boy, are they doing good coming down the side too. We're real happy about that. We'll see how this is. Remember guys, this is just an experiment. But look at these guys down at the bottom. They're just bursting out of here. Look at all the flowers. Chicken manure. Chicken bedding. All right. Look at that garlic. And the onions. Along the fence line, I've got some kale because I have so much. And when that grows up, those chickens are going to have a nice little snack. They can go at it all day long. I really don't care. Here's the sugar snap peas. They're starting to climb. No sign of the Blue Lake bush pole beans yet that I put along the inside of this cattle panel. Why inside? Because there's our sun. So they'll grow towards the pond and then up. Versus if I put them on the outside, they're gonna wanna go towards the sun. All right, let's check everything else out. Broccoli rabe. Spinach. More strawberries. And the mustard greens are doing really good. So that's it for right now. I'm probably going to do a little planting tomorrow. Oh, guys. That's the U of M helicopter. Never a good day when we see that flying over them. We're in a direct path. But tomorrow, I think I'm going to do some flowers in here. And just take it easy. Maybe go down to the lower garden. And put in a few things down there. But we'll see how my day goes. All right, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all your moms out there. And we'll check back again, maybe next week, and see how things are doing. We're in the new orchard today. We've been saving cardboard to put down. Didn't exactly make it all the way, but that's okay. We're gonna put tree mulch down in here and get this all taken care of today. And we're gonna put a pretty good layer on here, probably a good 6 inches.